Interesting medicine for joint problems, arthritis, osteoporosis, rheumatism. In today's world you can find all kinds of medications and drugs for every disease, ailment, or health problem. Well, to be honest with you, it's very easy to go to the local pharmacy, buy some pills and drink them every day. Some people drink medications just to ease their joint pain and improve the condition of their joints, bones, knee, neck and feet. And here comes the million-dollar question: is it really necessary to drink all kinds of drugs and medications for minor injuries? You just have to try some natural alternatives instead of using pharmaceutical products every day. Do you know the old saying? The person who takes medicine must recover twice, once from the disease and once from the medicine. And let's get back to our subject. Well, this homemade method suggests using gelatin and it promises amazing results in just few weeks. Note: make sure you find a high-quality food gelatin. We all know that there are many different gelatin products on the market today, but they are loaded with artificial flavors or sugar added. How to use it: you just have to add 1 teaspoon of gelatin to a glass of water and drink it before you go to bed. Or you can use fresh juices or yogurt instead of water. You will notice how the liquid thickens as you stir in the gelatin, so you can use a spoon if it is too thick for you. Or third option, you can eat it with your favorite cereals and milk. But if you are dealing with severe ailments, then we highly recommend that you should take your gelatin dose twice a day. Your pain will disappear and you will experience a greater joint mobility in just 7 days. Gelatin treatments usually last for 4 to 6 weeks. You will be amazed by the results. Gelatin is really amazing, especially for elderly and those who have difficulty moving. Let me ask you a simple question: do you know what's gelatin? Well, it is an animal product and it is obtained through the hydrolysis of collagen. This protein is the base of animal cartilage, bone, and tendons. We consume gelatin through food products like jellies, meat, dairy, gummy candy, but we are not even aware of that. Gelatin goes under the name E441. But the bad thing is that the aging process affects and slows down the production of collagen, and individual microfibers in the body become interconnected, which leads to reduced flexibility. This is why older people have trouble moving and experience pain. It takes more time to warm their bodies, and performing regular physical activities seems impossible. This is why you should use gelatin every day. And older people should consume it twice a day. These are some of the most important benefits of using gelatin. Gelatin stimulates the growth of your nails and makes them stronger. It also provides better elasticity of both your skin and body, and wipes out visible skin aging. Gelatin will help you sleep much better. Many different studies have confirmed that gelatin will help you reduce the appearance of cellulite, boost your metabolism and relieve allergies. Note: you should also know that gelatin is usually acquired from pigs and cattle, and this information is usually provided on the labels. We really hope you find this video helpful, and don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Thank you. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you want more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.